Utility is relative concept. Yes, this is a very important feature of utility, that utility of a commodity is relative concept. What do you mean by utility being relative? Let us try to understand that utility of a commodity is not fixed always. It changes on basically two parameters. One is time and another is place. So, utility of a commodity changes with time and place. Let us take few examples to understand how utility of a commodity changes and becomes relative with time and place. Let us take some example how utility changes with time. The first example I would love to give you is of ice cream. When you eat ice cream in summer season, its utility is high because its want is very high. But the same ice cream, when you have it in winter season, its utility is less because its want is relatively less. Hence, utility of ice cream changes with time. So it's a relative concept. Another example, let's say I have some sweaters, woolen clothes. So, utility of woolen clothes are very high in winter season. However, do I wear those woolen coats in summer? Answer is no. In summer, we prefer cotton clothes. So, the utility of this woolen clothes or cotton clothes changes with time. Another example of how utility is relative concept and how it gets changes or affected with time is, let us take a beverage, a Coca-Cola, a Coke per se. Generally, we prefer drinking those soft drinks, those chilled drinks with summer seasons. So, utility of those Coca-Colas are higher in summer seasons compared to other seasons. Hence, what do we understand? Utility is based on time. If time changes, there are likely chances that there are changes in utility of a commodity. Similarly, the utility of commodity changes with place as well. Let us take some transport example. Let's say a ship. The utility of ship is very huge in sea. It is relatively less in ponds or lakes. So if we change the place, there is a change in the utility of the same thing. Similarly, camel have a utility in desert compared to places where concrete roads are there. So, what do we understand with this video? That utility is a relative concept. What do you mean by relative concept? That it changes with time and place.